Hello fam and welcome to my channel. It's been a while. I'm glad you're joining me in this video today. We will be making this delicious, easy to make and budget friendly cabbage stew. I'm going to show you how I like my cabbage stew. But I want you to know something. I don't know if you know that already. Do you know that cabbage could help lower your bad cholesterol and control your blood sugar? Cabbage also has nutrients that keep the lining of your stomach and intestines strong. These are more reason to include it in your diet other than it being inexpensive and full of fiber. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, because we have delicious food cooking up on this channel. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I post new video. Why don't we begin? So I am starting with the protein that I will be using. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm using beef tripe, aka shaki, and I'll also be using boiled eggs. At the end, I will add some grilled mackerel. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. No, I know you're going to enjoy this video and you're going to learn a thing or two. So stick around and watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section and share this video with your family and friends on your other social media platform, because you know what? Sharing is caring.
It's easy to forget how precious our lives are, how beautiful the stars are, the light that we feel, birds singing in the morning, the calm before the storming, the way the sun hits the ocean. That star that we're all from, I live by the ocean, I keep myself open, it's the life that I've chosen, it's the vision I see, asleep with the light on, surrounded by mountains. It's the treasures I found there. It's the people I love. It's easy to forget. Sometimes it just takes a little time to remember. So remind me to wake up. Remind me to open my eyes. Remind me to live my life like I'm ready to die. Remind me to look up. Remember who we are. Remind me to remember to keep a light on in the dark. Gotta lift up your spirits, let everybody hear it. You gotta break through the fear and be who you are. you know. It's easy to forget. Sometimes it just takes a little kindness to remember. So remind me to wake up. Remind me to open my eyes. Remind me to live my life like I'm ready to die. Remind me to look up. Remember who we are. Remind me to remember to keep a light on in the dark. Remind me to remember to keep a light on in the dark.
I want to use this opportunity to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you who have been supporting me, sharing my video, commenting on my video, giving my video a thumbs up. I do not take it for granted. This channel will not be where it is now without all of your support. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you a very, very happy month. May, may this month of May bring only happiness and good tidings to you and your family. Thank you once again for joining me on this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you're yet to, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, okay? And leave me a comment in the comment section. I always look forward to reading all of your comments and replying to your comments. Enjoy the rest of the video.
It's easy to forget how precious our life is. How beautiful the stars are. Right that we feel. Birds singing in the morning. The calm before the storm. And the sun hits the ocean. That star that we're all from. I live by the ocean. I keep myself open. It's the life that I've chosen. It's the vision I see. I sleep with the light on, surrounded by mountains. It's the treasures I found, and it's the people I love. It's easy to forget. Sometimes it just takes a little kindness to remember. So remind me to wake up. Remind me to open my eyes. Remind me to live my life like I'm ready to die. Remind me to look up. Remember who we are. Remind me to remember to keep a light on in the dark.
So for me, this is how I like my cabbage stew. I like the cabbage to be crunchy. So once I add it into the stew, I stir it together for everything to marinate. I cover it and let the heat from the sauce, the the stove and the pot to cook it a little bit. So if you want your cabbage to be soft, you can cook it longer. But we have come to the end of this video. Okay, I'll just cover it and that's it. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and turn on your post notification. I will see you guys in my next video. Before then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.
No, it's easy to forget. Sometimes it just takes a little kindness to remember.